Biophilia is a strange sounding word, and you sort of hear it and you think, what are we talking about here? It's actually a pretty simple concept. This idea that humans need to be connected to nature for our well-being. We know that having access to natural light indoors makes a really big difference to your well-being. We also know that indoor plants make a difference. But then there's another area, and that is the presence of natural materials. And that's been less well tested. Coming to the work we're talking about today, we've actually got a great bit of work that was originally done by the market research firm Pollinate. And I got involved in it because I was sent a bunch of data to review and told, well, given that you work on wellbeing, does this actually stack up? We think we've got some evidence here that the presence of wood in the workplace is good for wellbeing. 1,000 people were randomly selected around Australia, all indoor workers, spread right around, and they were asked a whole series of questions in a survey. So the results were very positive for wood and employee wellbeing. If you're a worker and you could see no wooden surfaces at all from your workplace, 53% of that type of worker was satisfied with what was going on in their workplace. When you move that up to having 8 or more wooden surfaces, and we're talking things here like wooden chairs, wooden panelling on the walls, wooden floorboards, even quite small wooden items, but if you get to 8 or more, then 82% of people were satisfied with their work. This relationship held even for those who were earning quite low incomes or who were in occupations which were not at the top end of town. Why this matters is that there are decades of research which show that having improved workplace satisfaction, improved wellbeing is really good for your bottom line in the business. So in a nutshell, having wooden surfaces in your workplace is strongly associated with improved worker wellbeing, workplace satisfaction, and with all the positive things that can flow from that, like improved worker productivity.